Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Discover the River House, a nature's lover's paradise where peace and tranquility comes naturally, a true escape from a fast-paced lifestyle. The River House is a rare gem, nestled in the serene community of Maryland, only 10 minutes from Papine Square. This remarkable villa is enveloped by the gentle flow of a river, offering a unique and immersive experience in nature. Whether you're lounging by the pool, relaxing on the deck, or unwinding inside the villa, the soothing sounds of the river will accompany you. Discover waterfalls and wading pools, or bask in the beautifully landscaped gardens. A haven for birdwatchers, the villa hosts an array of birdlife including the blue heron and woodpeckers. Explore nearby culinary delights like the Gap, Café Blue, Strawberry Hill, and the charming roadside eateries. For the adventurers, visit nearby attractions such as Hollywell National Park, the historic Newcastle Training Camp, and the local coffee plantations. Hiking, biking, horseback riding may be arranged with tour providers. The river house spans 4,500 square feet with 6 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, 2 kitchens, 3 decks with a pool, gazebo, and an external bar area is ideal for you. Schedule your tour today. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The monthly rental price for this house is US 8,000, Jamaican 1.26 million, Canadian 11.4 thousand, Euro 7.3 thousand, or 6.2 thousand pounds. To rent this property, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.